How to add author bio in your blog posts in Squarespace. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now this is going to be pretty much, people will be able to read more about you in your bio, in your blog posts, and we can just showcase that in every single blog post. So this is going to be very easy to do. The only thing is that you will need to actually add your bio first, otherwise it's not going to show. And then second of all, if it is turned off, there's a specific option. If it is turned off, then you would need to just turn it on and we're pretty much set. So it is very simple and easy to do. So let's just go ahead and take it step by step. The first thing is going to be adding your bio or editing your bio. So just go ahead and open up your Squarespace website and you should find yourself in a page similar to this. So we just want it to be in the main dashboard. From here, we just want to scroll down, go to settings from the bottom here, click on settings, and then we just want to add our bio. Actually, my bad, it's not from within these settings. I thought it was in here because we're looking for account settings and it's not going to be in here. So you can just go and click on your profile picture instead on the bottom left, and this is where we can get the account settings. So once you do this, you will be taken to this page and you can now find the account settings from the top. Click on that and you'll be able to set up your first name, which is going to be shown, which is the display name. This is going to be the author name, so make sure you have your name written well. And we also have the bio. This is pretty much the bio that we want to showcase for people in our blog posts. So just go ahead and write about yourself. I'm just going to write something random here. So this is just a test bio for this video. There you go. And I'm just going to click on save. Now, obviously, you can make it bold, italics, and whatever you want. So now that we added our bio and our author name, which is the display name, now we can just go ahead and exit out of the account settings and we can just go ahead and launch our website. Now, the only thing left for us to do is ensure that it is actually visible to in our blog post. So what we need to do is just go to website, go to pages, click on your blog, which if you don't have one already, you can just go and create one from the plus icon, either in the not linked or main navigation. It's completely up to you. So just go and click on your blog and then just go to your blog content, go to the posts that you have actually or you were the author of. So these are just all tests and they are considered that I'm the author. So we can actually see written by the name that I'm using, and then we can just go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and we can actually see the profile picture, the display name, and also the bio here at the bottom. So this is just a test bio for this video. Now, what if you don't actually see this? What if you don't see this section here and it's not visible for you? In that case, it is pretty much turned off for you and you will need to turn it back on. And to do so, just go and click on any blog post and you will find this edit option at the top. Click on edit. And then we just basically want to grab this section. So just click on edit section. Once you do that, you should find yourself in this section. And this is the one that we want, which is show author profile. Now, show author name is pretty much the one at the bottom here. So just go ahead and turn it on or off. It's completely up to you. But at the bottom, if you have this turned off, then it's not going to show your profile. But if it is turned on, then it's going to show your bio and also your profile. But this is pretty much all for this video. So hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.